Let's now understand Dijkstra's algorithm for directed weighted graph. So this is the example directed weighted graph. So we'll apply Dijkstra's algorithm to find the shortest distance from single source, and we are considering A as a single source or source vertex. So we'll find the distance of all the vertices which are B, C and D from the root or source vertex which is A. In this diagram it is clear we have applied the first two steps of Dijkstra's algorithm, which is we have set the source distance is 0, we have set the source distance as 0 and rest of other distances as infinity. Now we will take the help of this table because at the end this will be helpful for us to find also the path. At different paths will be there. So we can reach directly from A to B, and another path is we can first go to the D and then B, or the third path may be A to C and then D and then B. But we need to find the shortest distance, so that's why we are applying this Dijkstra's algorithm. So let's now apply and find the shortest distance, and at the end we will find the path of that shortest distance. So at first step, let me write here the values of front distances for each vertex of the graph. So these are the values. So here now we need to select the lowest from this. As per the principle of Dijkstra's algorithm, we need to select the vertex with the lowest distance. So this is selected here because 0 is lowest out of all of these distances. So A is selected here. Now we need to find the distance. We need to check is there a need to update the values of other distances. So that we can do with the help of condition. So let's now check. So we have adjacent vertices here B and C and D. We need to check is there a need to update these distances or not. So firstly check for the B. So from A to B. So obviously this is not going to be changed because this is already been selected. So A to B. So distance of A is 0 plus cost of reaching at B from A is 2. So 0 plus 2, which is obviously less than infinity. So now the distance of B will be updated to 2. Similarly for D, so 0 plus 4, which is less than infinity. So we are going to update the distance of D here, which is 4. So again for C, 0 plus 5, which is less than infinity. So we are going to change it. Now these are the new updated shortest distances from single source. So now this A has been visited already, so we can skip it. Now we need to select the vertex with the least distance. So now it is clear that 2 is least. So here B will be selected. Now considering B, we need to again check for other distances. Now we can see that from B, there is no direct connection to any of other vertex because this is directed graph. So we can't update the values from this. So this will be visited. So that's why other distances will remain same. So now B has been visited already. So we will select the lowest out of this. So obviously 4 is lowest. So here D is selected. Now we need to check is there any need to update the distances, other distances. So from D we can clearly see that we have B because this is a directed edge here. So B is already selected, so we can't update the value for B. From D there is no another connection to C because C is only left unselected. So there is no need to update this because no connection is there. So we can say that D is now selected. So now we are left with only the last one, which is C here. So in this case, so we can say that this will not go to the next stage because this is already been selected. So we are left with only 5. So which is C here. So now C is only left and which is only the lowest one. So this C will be selected now. Now we can see that C is only connected to D here because there are no other direct edges there. So that's why D is already visited. So we can't update this value. C is now also visited. So now this is how the lowest distances for each of the vertex from its source vertex. So now we can see the shortest distance from vertex A to A is 0. From A to B it's 2. From A to C it's 5. From A to D it's 4. So these are the values.
If you found some value in the content shared in the video, please hit the like button below. Also do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Thank you for watching.